Remote engine start allows you to remotely start the vehicle and precondition the interior before you set foot inside. The operating range of the remote will vary depending on where the vehicle is parked. When there are buildings or other obstructions between the remote and the vehicle, the range may be shorter. To use remote engine start, first ensure the vehicle is parked outside in a well-ventilated area. Begin by pressing the lock button on the key fob. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button. It may take several seconds for the engine to start. The vehicle's turn signals will flash several times when the engine is started. Once started, the engine will run for 10 minutes and then shut off automatically. During the initial 10-minute cycle, you can top up the 10-minute cycle by repeating the start procedure. This can only be done once. To stop the engine, press and hold the remote start button for 1 second. The vehicle lights will also flash once to indicate that the engine has stopped. With the engine started, the interior is preconditioned via automatic activation of key climate control system functions based on outside conditions. When it's warm outside, the system will use the air conditioning in recirculation mode. On colder days, the system will use the heater and defroster. It will also activate the heated seats and the heated steering wheel if equipped. Note that the seat heater indicator lights may not illuminate. To begin driving, depress the brake pedal and press the engine start-stop button.